Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I just wake up. I'm tired bad. So today is the 26th, and this is probably one of the main reasons to why I never do no Christmas cooking either. Well, not the main reason, but I just know if I did cook yesterday, I would have been very exhausted this morning. But we're going on a trip to Portland, and I got carrying on with me because I know I love the vlogs and I know I miss the vlogs. So we're gonna get ready together. Kimona and Tamari is here. Them they in them room. I get ready. Me and Jason just wake up, guys. The phone alarm about 3 times and I turn it off. And then Mr. Kimona message me like you have 10 more minutes for sleep. So I'm up and I'm gonna start ready. Everything is packed. So every little thing do from last night. So this is a chicken sandwich. I think this is tuna and corned beef sandwich, and this is chicken. Like we buy up every little thing, so we organize and we feel good about that. We're traveling with the bus, so we're gonna meet the bus 7 o'clock. I'm telling the time. The time is 5:39. So guys, I'm gonna start get ready on. So I'm gonna have the cover up for the swimsuit, but I'm not gonna wear the cover up. I'm gonna put the cover up in my bag and wear the swimsuit. So this is the swimsuit I'm gonna show now, and then put like a shorts over it if I go on the trip. Yeah, that makes sense, because what if I not have enough time for change and stuff? I just want to know say I have on the swimsuit. 6:16. So the
on game.
Yeah. Guys, I got this swimsuit from Waterbody J. You can go over to their business page and check them out. And Kim have on this nice black swimsuit. Trust me, you can't go wrong when you wear black. So she have on a black swimsuit and a black cover up.
Yeah.
And the swimsuit will have this is just a win-win for me. Me love every swimsuit with this. It just looks so good. It's such a vibe. But yeah, this way everything pack up.
Them can't say we're late, but we'll get up from literally. I got up.
What time we get up again?
Oh my god. 4:30.
Alright guys, so we're ready and we're trying to get some tea in our stomach before we leave out. Thank you so much, Tamari. Guys, look at my baby's drip.
Fresh from prison.
No,
You
know we are nothing other than Clarks these days.
No, my rest of shoes them just to stay inside.
It looks
Keep
good. It
warm.
looks good. It looks nice, babe.
Thank you.
I'm gonna relax it, man.
And Tamari.
Hey,
Which
it's when you reach, we just see
Tamari,
the
you look
boys
nice.
out.
Yeah, man. No, it's okay. It's okay. You look nice.
thank you.
Come here, sit all along. It's giving coolie girl.
I don't know some you're Indian already.
Alright guys, so we're leaving now. Have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
So we're gonna show this whole girl.
Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Island Girl Ken.
Alright. and couldn't record the journey because music, the bus was festive, music did nice bad. I want to pee, so the man sent me down here so I come pee. It's a jungle style, so I don't know what that means. Why? I thought it was a big boat. The sun out there hot.
Catch back yourself. That's what I say. It's a yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so the first, this is the second trip, right? The second trip this?
Yeah.
So the second trip this. I guess we're going on the last trip. Is it extra?
And I let it go. Hold it. You let it go.
Come here, sir. Why else? What's happening? Just say your ear up on your neck, you know. And touch water, you know, man. Like touch water. Got me? Alright?
Boy!
No worries, no worries, no worries. No. Look on me. Alright, both of us start now. Never start now. Feel it? You feel it? Alright, baby. You good?
Oh.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Big up Ryan, guys. Hey guys. Whoa.
5 foot.
Everything I'm gonna show.